with example first. See, if you have values like 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5 and you are asked to find out mean, what will be the mean?
5.
So, mean will be equal to 5. What will be median?
5.
Median, the centermost is also 5. What is mode?
5.
If the observations have same value, then mean equal to median equal to mode. All of you understood this? Okay. It is also equal to geometric mean. It is also equal to geometric mean. Okay. Then second, for evenly distributed frequency distribution, it means what? Say for example you have xi 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have f5. 2, 3, 5, 3 and 2. It's uniformly distributed. It's 2, 3, then 5, then 3 and 2. If I make a graph over here on x-axis, I take values of x, and on y-axis I take the frequency. I'll get a bell-shaped curve, and the centermost is mean equal to median, which is equal to mode. Got it? This will also come in the chapter skewness. I'll add to this. This is median. So somewhere it is Q1 and over here it is Q3. Q2 is already median, so Q3, and this distance is the same. Say I have xi, say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is the total? 15. What is x bar? 3. 9 and 6, 15. Sigma xi upon n. How many numbers? 5. So mean is equal to 3. Dhyan dena please. Now if I multiply xi with 2, the values of xi with 2, so ye ho jayega 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 6, 8 and 10. The total 6 and 6 12, 12 and 8 20, 30. So I'll take this y is equal to xi into 2. So what will be y bar? Y bar will be 30 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is equal to 6. Another example. Xi 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I'll take yi is equal to xi plus 3. xi plus 3. मैं 3 को add कर रहा हूँ. So 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 15, 5, 20, 30. Again 30. X bar is equal to, X bar is equal to 3 and Y bar is equal to 6. Now, if I convert this into equation, I say Y is equal to A x plus B, where A is a constant and B is also a constant. जैसे कि ये constant है, सब में 2, सब में 3. Understood this? And if you are given value of mean, x bar is given, then we want to find y bar. So directly we'll use this and we'll say y bar is equal to a into x bar plus b. It means if it is given in the question that if mean of certain observation is 3 and 2 is multiplied with each observation, what will be the new mean? So you need not do all these things. Directly this into 2, which is equal to 6. पता चला? यहाँ पे if mean of certain observation is 3 and 3 is added to each observation, so directly mean में ही you add 3. So you will get 6. Understood this? Why it works like this? Because जो measures of central tendency है, they have a characteristics that they are dependent on change of origin. What is change of origin? ध्यान देना please. Plus and minus, and dependent on change of scale, which is divide and multiply. Now, I'll go to the formula of mean to make you understand. You were given xi, you are given fi, some class is given, okay? You found out xi, fi, then you found out di. Now what is di? Xi minus some assuming upon c. Now when we go to the formula, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon n into c. It means what? हमने यहाँ पे di में से जो माइनस किया वो फॉर्मूला में ऐड हो गया, एंड जो डिवाइड किया वो हो गया मल्टीप्लाई. अगर हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर इससे A से और C से डिफरेंट आएगा, बिकॉज ये जो मेजर ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसीज है उसमें अगर तुम ओरिजिनल वैल्यू को चेंज करते हो बाय चेंज ऑफ ओरिजिन, यानी कोई भी कांस्टेंट को ऐड किया या सब्सट्रैक्ट किया, या चेंज ऑफ स्केल यानी किसी को डिवाइड किया या मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो ओवरऑल मीन भी चेंज हो जाता है. बट ये ओरिजिनल xi है तो मीन शुड कम फ्रॉम दिस. So what we do is we again reverse the effect of A by adding A and multiply by C. जो यहाँ पे divide किया उसको यहाँ पे कर देते हैं multiply. So we get the values from xi. Change of origin यानी original number से तुम कोई number को plus या minus करोगे तो we say change of origin, और किसी को divide या multiply करोगे तो we say change of scale. तो मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी का कि ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है कि अगर मीन है, कुछ भी कोई भी मीन है, उसके सारे ऑब्जर्वेशंस को तुम किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो मीन को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, किसी से भी डिवाइड करोगे तो मीन भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा. यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? ओके. और कुछ भी ऐड करोगे तो डायरेक्टली मीन में ऐड कर दो, सब्सट्रैक्ट करोगे तो डायरेक्टली मीन में सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दो. इज दिस क्लियर? When you do this at your home, you can try various permutation combination, यानी अलग अलग करके ट्राई कर सकते हो. जैसे यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ये हमने क्या किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे प्लस कर देंगे सारा ऑब्जर्वेशन विद से 5, विद 5, तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2 + 5 7, 4 and 5 9, 6 and 5 11, 8 and 5 13, and 10 and 5 15. We do the totals. 16, 13, 29, 13 and 40. 55. 55 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is equal to what? 11. तो क्या किया हमने? Y bar is equal to A. What is constant जिससे multiply किया? 2. Constant 2. 2 को multiply किया ना x से. So 2 into x bar plus what? 5. So क्या है? 2 into x bar is 3 plus 5. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 equal to 11. पता चला? Okay, this will come as a short sum. But why I'm taking so much time over here is because these are characteristics of various measures of statistics. When you will go for chapter 4, then there the characteristics are different. Here the characteristics are different. Mean, median, mode are both dependent on change of origin and change of scale. When you go for deviations, standard deviations, at that time standard deviation is independent of change of origin. यानी तब क्या होगा, कुछ भी प्लस या माइनस किया तो भी स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन पे फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं, बट इट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन चेंज ऑफ स्केल. यानी कुछ डिवाइड या मल्टीप्लाई किया तो फर्क पड़ेगा. व्हेन यू गो फॉर कोरिलेशन, रिग्रेशन, तो अलग अलग स्टैटिस्टिक्स के मेजर का अलग अलग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. दिस फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड फॉर योर शॉर्ट सम्स. पता चल गया? ओके, लिख लो. you also add over here y is equal to ax and a y bar. So median of y is equal to a into median of x plus b, and same it with mode of y is equal to a into mode of a multiply a into mode plus mode of x, sorry. Illustration 39 can come in exam. These short sums are very tricky. Now illustration 39, first one, the mean of the concept what we did will become more clear when we do the sums. The mean of variable x is 25. Find the mean of variable obtained by first subtracting 3 from x and then dividing it by 2. Now there are two constants. So first, we write the constant first. Constants. A is 3 and b is equal to 2. Now mean of variable x bar is equal to 25. अब क्या किया है? 3 first subtracting 3 from x. So I'll say y bar is equal to x bar minus 3. All of you understood this. 3 is subtracted from x. So x bar में से 3 directly minus 3, and the result is divided by 2. So what we can form is, we can form the equation or x minus a upon b. समझ में आ गया सबको? Okay, directly y bar is equal to 25 minus 3 by 2, 22 by 2, which is equal to 11. The relation between price P of an item and its demand D is equal to 50 minus 2P. If the median of the price is 11, find the median of the demand. Now let's write this equation. D is equal to 50 minus 2P. D is equal to demand and P is equal to price. Now median of price is equal to, what is the median of price is 11. So what we have to find? Median of demand. Directly we substitute 50 minus 2, median of price is equal to 50 minus 2 into 11 is equal to 50 minus 22 is equal to 28. Third one, the mode of salaries of employees of company is 8,500. The company has decided to deduct 2% of each employee's salary for welfare fund. Find the mode for the amount of this fund. Very simple. Lekho. Mode of salary. Question 3. Mode of, this is illustration 39. Page 110. Mode of salary is equal to 8,500. I'll take this as MOX is equal to 8,500. Now what is happening? From every employee's salary, we are deducting 2%. So directly, mode of welfare fund is equal to 2%. So 2 divided by 100 into mode of salaries is equal to 0.02 into 8,500 is equal to rupees 170. Page number 115, section B. We'll start with the 8th one. Median of 10 observation is 55. So 10 is equal to 10, median is equal to 55, if the value of largest observation increases from 100 to 110, find the new median. Now, the largest observation, this is the minimum and this is the maximum or the largest observation. Now, if we increase this, does it affect our median? Median is going to remain the same. So we say median remains unaffected because median is the centermost observation. अब मैंने स्टूडेंट्स को अरेंज किया, ओके, किसी के 90 मार्क्स थे, अभी मान लो उसके 100 हो गए, तो भी इससे इसको फर्क पड़ेगा, like this person will still be in the center. Got it? Because median में, and this is one of the characteristics of median, that all the observations are not taken into consideration when we find the median. But if it was mean, average पे फर्क पड़ता कि नहीं? Average would have also changed. Okay. Ninth, just what we did. Mean of variable x is 9. What is the mean of variable y? So x bar is equal to 9. Y is equal to x plus 4. Therefore, y bar is equal to x bar plus 4, which is equal to 9 plus 4, which is equal to 13. 10. What is the mode? Highest frequency is 48. So mode is equal to 10. Okay. 11th. Arithmetic mean of two number is 5. If one number is 6, find the other number. So we say, assume two numbers as A and B. Mean of two numbers is 5. Given A is equal to 6, we have to find value of B. Now, what is the formula of mean? Mean is equal to sum of observation, so A plus B upon number of observation. Therefore, mean 5 is equal to 6 plus B upon 2. 5 2s are 10. 6 plus B. Therefore, B is equal to 4. 12. Find the first quartile for variable with observation 15, 4, 7, 22, 7 and 13. So let's do it. Arrange it in ascending order. 12. Start with 2, 4, 7, again 7. Then 13, 15 and 20. What is N? 7. What we have to find is first quartile. Q1 is equal to value of observation. Q1 is value of 7 plus 1, 8 by 4. Second observation, which is equal to 4. 13. See, important. Which average can be obtained if the continuous frequency distribution has open-ended classes? अगर open-ended classes है, तो हम कौन सा average find कर सकते, use कर सकते हैं? Will we use mean or median or mode? We cannot use mean because if open-ended class है, say for example you have less than 10, how will you find xi? Mid value find कर सकते ही नहीं है, this is open-ended. Okay, so for such open-ended, the measure what we use is median. Is this clear? लिख लो. 14th, Q3 is equal to 25.75. What is P75 equal to? Same, 25.75. We say that these are positional average. तो पोजीशन इसका भी सेम है और इसका भी सेम है. Okay, this is 3 by 4 and this is 75 by 100, which is again 3 by 4. Okay, next one, 15. The median of daily demand of a vendor is 15 units. If he sells each item for 10, find the median of his revenue. What will be the median?
150.
150. लिख लो 15. Median of demand is equal to 15. Unit price is equal to rupees 10. Therefore, median of revenue is equal to 10 into median of demand. I expect you to write all these things to get full marks in exam. Okay, is equal to 10 into 15, which is equal to rupees 150. We'll start with the seventh one. Mean x bar is equal to 5.5 and mode is equal to 6.4. Find its median. Median find करना है. Which formula will use? Empirical formula, Carl Pearson. So mode is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Therefore 6.4 is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. थ्री एम इज इक्वल टू ये 11 प्लस हो जाएगा 17.4. सो मीडियन इज इक्वल टू 5.8. I'll write a step more. Median is equal to 17.4 divided by 3. Geometric mean of two number is 8. So let's say, assume two numbers as A and B. Geometric mean G is equal to 8. One number. So A is equal to 4. Find the other number. Now the formula of geometric mean is under root A into B. Therefore, 8 is equal to under root 4B. I will solve this. Under root will become square. So 64 is equal to 4B. Therefore, B is equal to 64 divided by 4, which is equal to 16. Therefore, B is equal to 16. Mean weekly production X of factory is 81 units. Find the mean production cost if cost is given by y is equal to 3x plus 50. Let's do it. X bar is equal to 81. Y is equal to 3x plus 50. Therefore, y bar is equal to 3 into 81 plus 50. 243 plus 50. Therefore, y bar is equal to 293. Therefore, mean cost of production cost is equal to rupees 293. 10th sum. ध्यान देना प्लीज, थोड़ा ट्रिकी सम है ये. A minus 5, A plus 1, A plus 2, A minus 3 and A is 10. So median is equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So n is equal to 5. Now first we have to arrange it in ascending order. It is not in ascending order because here it is minus 5, here it is plus, then again minus. So we ascend this ascending order. That's the first thing. सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? A. सबसे पहले आएगा A minus 5, A minus 3, A plus 1 and A plus 2. Now median is equal to value of n plus 1 upon 2th observation, which is equal to value of 5 plus 1 6 divided by 2. So third observation. Therefore median is 10. Third observation is A. Therefore A is equal to 10. Answer.